Hello guys. How are you? It's been a while. But I'm back. So, what are we gonna be talking about today in our live session? We have amazing news. I've recently created a trading robot for Crash 1000, a spike trading robot. So, I will share with you guys some of the results. Then we're going to do some analysis on a few assets: booming, crash, market volatility. I think we have volatility 100, booming, crash. I think we're gonna look at boom 1000, crash 500, and also boom 500. Those three assets. And on volatility, we'll be looking at volatility 100. Yeah, volatility 100, and we'll also do analysis on volatility 75. So tell us where you're watching us from, and so what we're gonna be doing today, we're gonna select at least one person who's going to be our lucky winner, who's going to receive the new Crash 1000 Precision Spike Trading Robot. So we'll select at least one person. So you need to comment, you need to be active. We'll select it just after we are done with the live session. It's not gonna be very long, maybe 30 minutes. Then we'll be done. Um, Tell us where you're watching us from. Maybe you never know, you might win a lucky prize. We also have our Spike EA, which we are also going to select one person. So just tell us where you're watching us from. And if you're also interested in we have recently created a program, our My Forex Story, with subscribers, where you'll be sharing with, we'll do an interview where we'll give you an opportunity to share your Forex story. How has been your Forex story? Basically, that's what we're going to be talking about. Let me just quickly check uh, the the messages. Mensa is saying hello. Thank you so much for your support. Nkosi Zulu is saying connected from Braid Bridge. Thank you so much. Selema is saying Gaborone, Botswana. Thank you so much. Congratulations, guys. Those who are from Botswana. Um, who was it? Tebuko. Yes, Tebuko, who won the 200 Olympic final. That was amazing. Noah Lines didn't think that it was going to be possible, but I'm happy. One of us, an African um, athlete, was able to represent us. I'm happy for Tebuko. He did very well. We did Africa proud. Thank you so much. Uh, those who are watching us from Botswana. Okay, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's quickly get down to business. So the first thing, we have a signal. We're gonna talk about the signals that we have. We can see clearly that for a very long time, um, boom has been pushing upwards, and I noticed that boom was able to drop back, and it came back to this last bearish candle here, and there was a very impulse aggressive movement as price moved from this particular area. So here I can see a little bit of reaction. Let me see what is there on the 2 hour. But there's a reaction. Price is reacting with our 1 hour order block. Let's see what is there on the 2 hour. On the 2 hour, we can see we don't have much. Let me go on the 30 minutes time frame. So we've marked our 1 hour order block, and we want to see how price will react with that particular level. So on the 30 minutes, what we can see is this. Price tried to push up, and this ended up like a hangman. And here there was strong. The previous, not the previous, there was during this candle there was a strong bullish momentum. So price is currently reacting with this particular level, and we are anticipating a strong reversal from this level. So if you wanna be safe, how are you going to be trading boom, boom 1000? So I gave this signal in our Telegram and WhatsApp groups, but there is a way that can be easy that you know, because you can see price is consolidating. What we did is this: we gave a about 3 buy. I think I also gave it on my Facebook. Follow us on Facebook. Let me just share with you guys my Facebook page. You can follow us on Facebook, and I shared this signal on my Facebook page. So let's see what is there. Um, where is it? Where is it? Where is it? I shared this signal on our WhatsApp Facebook page. Okay, yes, this one. So this was the signal. So we're also sharing signal on our Facebook page. So this was the signal. We're anticipating a reversal right around this particular area here. So this was the signal. I gave it, I think, when was it? Midday, yeah, midday, yeah. Around 10, 11, 12 day. I think that's when we gave the signal. So this is where price is currently on. So we are currently anticipating a reversal, but it's gonna be easy. It's gonna be easy if you're gonna do these two things. So price will consolidate sometimes at this particular level. So what you'd want to do is this. Probably you'd want to see a change of character, but you can buy boom now. But what we want to see boom doing is this. We want to see price closing above this previous high, low high, and then probably price will bounce back and come back to this particular area here, and then it will push upwards like this. So that's one possibility. Or price will push upwards and then use this particular level as a support, and then it will push upwards. Those two movements. If price is able to give you a change of character, that means it has to close above this on the 50-minute time frame. If price closes above this level 17,545, if it closes above, we need a candle, 50-minute candle that closes above. This gives us a change of character. This change of character will indicate that there is a possibility of price reversing and moving upwards. And maybe probably we can also play around and draw a trend line. Let's just focus on these two last area here. I will just draw this trend line, and I want to see probably price taking out this level, then I can buy. But I would prefer this type of trading probably on 30-minute time frame, where we will have a candle on the 30-minute time frame closing above this trend line. You can also buy, and you place your stop loss just below this particular level, and then you grow up with the market. But if you want more confirmation, we need a change of character, a candle closing above here. Probably there might be a retracement, or price will just shoot upwards. But in most cases, when there is an order block, this is a common movement that will normally appear. Price will push upwards, give you a change of character, then it will come back again to make a retest on this order block again, then it then pushes upwards. This will be ideal. If this movement is takes place, you can buy here on the next retest here with confidence. So this is what I'm seeing in boom. We can buy boom. Our targets are the following. We have 17,799. That's our profit target. Our TP. Then our SL is 17,359. So that's our SL. So that's the first signal that we have. So what do you think, guys, about this signal? What do you think about this signal? Gabriel Botswana, that's Tebe Selema. Selema is always there. Good evening, Tendai Chakombera. It has been a while, Mr. Tendai. Where have you been hiding? Mensa is saying good evening, guys. How are you? How has been your trading? Are you making money? So we have recently created a WhatsApp group where we share free signals. So on a daily basis, we can share 3, but it's not on a everyday basis. So we have our VIP group where I share signals. But for the previous 2 days, I've been busy. I've been working on the Spike EA, guys. I've been working. This thing took a lot. I don't know how many months making this Spike EAs, but I'm glad that we are done and it's now moving well. So during the course of this live session, I'll show you how, guys, this strategy this Spike EA operates. Then we're done with this one. So because of this because of the hammer candle that we see here, the previous candle was a hammer candle and it was bullish, a bullish pin bar. So we're anticipating, because of this candle, price to push upwards and start to move upwards. So that will be the basis of our why we should buy at this particular level. One, we have an order block, this last bearish candle before price start to move upwards, and our stop loss just below this particular level. And now we have the presence of a what, of a pin bar, and we can see, let me just add a fractal at this particular level to see if we now have a down fractal. The down fractal is not yet there. It's not yet there. We are waiting for the close of this candle, and then we'll analyze that particular area. So we have these factors for confirmation, for confluence. Okay, so let's look at the next asset. We're gonna look at Boom 500. There's something that was happening in Boom 500, and I'm also going to take you to crash 1000. Okay, we have a demand zone. Price is very bullish. We can see here with what, a break of structure. Is price pushed upwards here. Price pushed upwards here, and here this consolidation before price changed direction was our demand zone. So is the area that I've marked as my demand zone, this consolidation, and we can see there's a reaction here, and we're anticipating that price should push upwards and come to this particular level if the continuation of this uptrend is going to continue. So that's one thing that I can see. So that's on the 1 hour. We can see a strong bullish candle. You see this one, they call it a what, a marabos. This one, the candle that is a very big body. It shows large strong bullish momentum. So we can see that, and we can see price came back to make a retest. Probably there was a fair value gap in price, or maybe price came back to retest this order block, and it's now ready to push upwards. So we in Boom, we are also buying, and our profit target is gonna be 66.97. That's our TP. Our stop loss is gonna be 63.69. Okay, so those are the two signals that we have. Okay, let's look at the next asset that we're gonna be looking at, which is gonna be crash 300. It's gonna be crash 300. So what's happening in crash 300? Let's see. But I analyzed on a lower time frame. I gave this signal in our WhatsApp group, and also no, it was in the VIP group. It was in the VIP group. So you're also free to join our VIP group, where we send boom and crash, volatility, indices signals. So this is a signal that we gave in this. We can see I think on the higher time frame, price is very bullish, and price came to this order block. This order block is, you can clearly see it on H1. Is it H1 or M30? Let me check here. I hope you can hear me. I think this was the order block that I marked on what, on M30. So we're anticipating price to push upwards here and reach this particular area here. Okay, so this is what we have. We are currently buying crash 300. We have an order block and a break of structure. So there is a price retained again to this last bearish candle before price pushes upwards to break the structure and create a new higher high. So we are anticipating price to push upwards and reach this particular level. So this one, I didn't send it in our public WhatsApp and Telegram group. I only send it in our VIP WhatsApp group. Okay, let me show you guys. This is the group that we have. So we are now left with which asset are we gonna be looking at? Boom 500, Boom 1000, and crash 300. This is what we have. So I want to show you guys how we operate in our VIP group. Basically that's what we want to do. Nice setup. Thank you so much for comfort. Mensa, yes, we can hear you. Thank you so much for acknowledging that you can hear me. Hello, watching from Botswana. Bernard, how are you, Mr. Bernard? My assumption is that everyone no, there are a lot of women who trades forex. Okay, we're doing what? We're in network stable. Network is not stable. Yes, Yes, and I can clearly see it here. There's a message that is saying that my network is not stable. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is this. I don't want to waste much of your time. Let's just do this and finish. I think the next asset that we're gonna look at is what? Uh, is it volatility 100? So what I saw on volatility 100 is this. On the daily time frame, we have a setup. We have a setup. So you, those who normally want to, who normally enjoy trading smart money, there's a concept here which is called a breakup block, where price here there was a continuation of a downtrend. Price was able to grab liquidity that was residing below this odd low, and price here broke the structure and then started to push upwards. Here price was supposed to hold this last bullish candle, was supposed to hold, and price was supposed to reverse, and there was supposed to be a continuation of a downtrend, but that didn't happen, and then price just ignored that order block, and then it created a high. Price created a high, then it came to this particular level here. So this order block that was ignored when price pushed upwards is likely going to hold and start to cause price to move upwards, and price is supposed to reverse it, but this is on the daily time frame. So if you look what has been happening the previous 2 days, we have started to have some bullish momentum. Price is starting to push upwards here on this particular level. Price is started to push upwards, so there is a likelihood that price is likely going to reverse this breakup block here that we have in this particular level, because we have a change of character. And if we come to the 4-hour time frame, we can see some bullish momentum. So what I would want to see here is this. Let me go on the 1 hour. I want to see a change of character on the lower time frames. I want to see a change of character on the lower time frame. Do we have that? Let me go on the 15-minute time frame, and I want to see price returning to an order block. If I see that, I can enter this trade with confidence. What do we have here? I don't see a change of character yet. I don't see a change of character yet, because what I want to see is this. I want to see this particular level. Since okay. Okay, if we focus on this particular area here, we see price was able to create my network is very bad, was able to create a low high, and then it dropped, and then price pushed upwards, closed above this level. So we already have a change of character at this particular level here. So we already have that change of character. So we have a change of character here, and then price then dropped from here and reacted with this order block. Price reacted with this order block. So what we can do here, since we now have a break of structure here, we can wait for price to drop BOS. After this impulsive move, we can wait for price to drop and probably come to this order block here. Then we can look for a buying opportunity around this area. So what I'm anticipating is this. I want price to come back to this order block, which is the 15-minute order block that we have here. And then from there, I can look for my buying opportunity here. So what I'll do is this. I'll place my stop loss. If price returns here, my stop loss just below the previous low, this one, and I'll go up here. This one is going to be a very long trade. If price is able to react in this particular manner, we can know that we can hold for a very long time. So I'll take my first take profit at this particular area where we have a previous swing high. So we have a previous swing high. I'll take a little bit of profits around this area, then I'll see how this goes. So that's my plan in volatility 100. There's a signal. Price is likely going to push upwards and move in that particular direction. The sound is not matching the volume. Guys, yo. Okay, let me just do one thing before I leave. Unfortunately, this was unfortunate. So we have our spike crash 1000 precision spike EA. So we just want to do a strategy tester together. This is the EA, and we'll test it on 1 minute time frame, and we're gonna test it on crash 1000 from this period. So we've placed it on what modeling every tick based on real ticks, so everything is fine, and our initial capital is gonna be $100. Then let me just do this. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Let's see how this EA operates. So I'll try to slow it down so that you can see how this EA. So with the take profit and the stop loss, they are all adjustable, but you can use these ones, the presets, stop loss and take profit. Okay, let me just slow it down. So we started with 100. We are already on 100 and 120. Come on, move. Want to see how this works. I hope to move nicely. I don't know what's happening with my network. It's moving slowly. So we are now on 200 USD profit, and price is 2. We are still taking trades. I want to slow it down so that you guys can see. Okay, let's just do an analysis. You see, it took a trade here and it was able to close here. This closed in a loss here. It also took a trade, and here you can see it was selling from this particular level. It sold, closed here in profit. It also sold and closed here in profit. So there's also a trailing stop. Some people argue, okay, the stop loss seems to be very big. I just want to catch one spike, but you're not going to make a lot of money if you do that. You want to make sure that you capitalize on the spikes. If price is moving down, make sure you get all the spikes. And we can see we are already on 400 US dollars. So there is also a trailing stop. As price moves in your direction, the trailing stop will also move. It will move with the price. Let me just look for an area where this took place. This is too fast. You see, the trailing stop is moving. It will move with the price. As price will be in profit, it will be moving. So you can see we are already in 500. We started with an initial capital of what, 100. In less than a month, we are already in 500 US dollars. So this is how easy. It's fully automated. You don't need to do anything. You make money while it's just sleeping. Let's quickly look at the graph. You can see it's positive. It's sloping upwards, which is very good. Then the backtest results. So we can see clearly here that we started with the initial deposit of 100. The total net profit was 408. That's the profit that we were able to make. Then the balance drawdown absolute was 26, which is very good. Then it has a profit factor of 1.35, expected payoff of 1.6, which is also very good. Then I think these are some of the statistics that are there, and some of the data in the graph that are also there. So I did there's a video which I posted I think earlier today, where I was also showing case this strategy tester is the same thing, but let's just do a big test of some of the trades that the EA took. Let's do a big test of some of the trades that the EA took. You can see here, price, it was in profit. So approximately about 12 to 13 or 14 candles is the stop loss. You can see here, it was in profit. You can see it dropped down nicely. So guys, I don't want to waste much of your time. Let me just select one person and then we call it a day. But unfortunately, if you are not still around, Comfort Mesa, please get in touch. You've been selected as our lucky winner. My number is this one, +267 683 229 304. So that's my WhatsApp number, Mr. Mensa. You've won yourself this spike EA. Get in touch, send me your MT5 number because it will be logged to your MT5. So I've selected Mr. Mensa, Comfort Mensa. Please just comment if you're still around so that you can claim your prize. If you're watching us for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos, and also like and comment what you think about these analysis that we're talking about. But before I go, and I'm still waiting for Mr. Comfort Mensa to get in touch, let me just revisit some of the signals that we talked about. We are looking at boom 1000, boom 1000. Okay, price to dropping. Yes, there can be a little bit of consolidation around this area. Let's look at boom 500. Okay, boom 500 has started, is now pushing upwards. Okay, let's look at 300, crash 300. When you analyze using price action, you can get this good setup. You can get this amazing setup. I'm telling you, it will be easy for you. Look at how easy it was to buy from this particular level. We can see price reacted again with this hourly order block, this 1 hour order block, and price is moving upwards. So this setup was nice, and we are currently in huge profit in crash 300. So our copy trading services is also there, where your account is connected to my account. The trades that I take are automatically executed in your account. To get started, you need to pay a subscription fee of $50. You need initial capital of at least 100, but I would recommend you to have at least 150 so that you are safe. I think then I'm also going to be announcing I'm also going to be announcing I'm also going to be announcing our mentorship program is going to be starting next week. So registration is in progress. Next week, Monday, we start with our mentorship classes. We're going to start on the 26th of August. So what are we going to be teaching in our mentorship classes? We teach price action. There is a lot that is there. We have a price action course. We have an ICT mentorship course. Then we also have a indicator based strategy mentorship course. Then we also have what, risk management, and we also have trading psychology as part of this package. So if you're interested, if you want to start your trading journey, or maybe you've been trading but you have not been successful, okay, the secret in trading lies in knowledge. Having the right knowledge will make you profitable. So if you're interested, you can also get in touch with us. The details are there in the description so that you can start your forex journey. How much is it for you to start with your mentorship classes? It's only $200. Then the price for our spike crash 1000 spike EA, it's also $100. And very soon we are launching our new scalping indicator. We have a scalping indicator. Where is this scalping indicator? So this is the EA that is trading. So if I do this, okay, I want to show you guys the scalping indicator. So this one, you only take 5 candles and you exit. We have a spike, a scalping indicator, where you only buy 5 candles and you exit. 5 candles and you exit. Here, your 5 candles, you're going to exit. Let's look for another example. 5 candles again, 1 2 3 4 5, you're going to exit. Okay, let's look for let me just minimize the screen. You see here 5 candles, here 5 candles, you're going to be winning. Here again, you're going to get your 5 candles before the spike comes. Here 5 candles, here 5 candles, 5 candles. We now have a scalping indicators is also available for each and every specific crash. So what we've done so far, we have only made for crash 1000, in crash 500 and crash 300. We now have a scalping indicator. So this is the indicator. You only buy 5 candles, then you exit. Now the advantage of using this one is this: you don't need to spend the whole day just looking at the computer. You can just wait for a notification, you take your 5 candles. After the 5 candles, you then exit. So we are also in the process of uploading this indicator on MK05, and we are also in the process of making an EA that trades using these signals. So that's what we are currently doing, and very soon, before the end of this week, we'll be rolling out a more precision spike EAs, and also this new scalping indicator. I think the EA will be available starting from next week. Guys, thank you so much for your support. Please enjoy your day and trade profitably. Okay, wow, it's amazing. The video and the sounds are not sync. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm really, really, really sorry. The network is just very poor. I can see here they're also sending me some notifications. I'm really sorry, guys. Okay, I will try to improve on the network next time, guys. It's bye bye for now. Enjoy your day.